Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina, and tonight I am filming how to create a workout routine for beginners while I do a get unready with me. So get unready with me and I'll tell you guys my tips on how to create a workout routine for beginners. So if you're a beginner or if you just want to freshen up on your workout routine and how you do things, then come along and watch this video. And so let's get into the video. Okay, so tip number one of how to create a workout plan for beginners is you need to have goals. You need to have goals. So set about 5 goals or as many as you want. You can set more than that, but set some goals so that you have a clear picture of why you're working out and your reasoning behind it. If you have a reason behind why you're working out, it'll make life so much easier. You'll be able to create your plan a lot easier and kind of know, like, okay, my goal is to become a professional boxer. Well, you need to do workouts that are more for like boxing and agility and strength. If you're a bodybuilder, you need to do more strength training. So it kind of depends on what kind of goals you have, on what kind of plan you end up having. So you need to create this goal so you know exactly what you're doing with your plan and how you plan those workouts. If you just go in blindly and not really know what you're doing and what your goals are, you won't have a solid plan. You'll kind of go into a workout not knowing what you're doing. So have those goals so that you can set a solid plan and you know exactly what you're doing every day to reach those goals. Because if you don't, you will not be able to set a solid plan for your goals. Okay, number 2 of how to create a workout plan at home for beginners is have your equipment ready. If you have your equipment ready, it'll make life a lot easier. You need to have it to where it's accessible. Like maybe that's your garage, maybe that's your basement, maybe that's your bedroom. If you don't have much equipment, wherever that is, you need to have your equipment ready to go. And go ahead and plan out what equipment you need for that workout. Because if you plan it out, it'll be a lot easier to go ahead and be ready for that workout ahead of time. And that's what we're here for. We're here to plan our workout. If you're at the gym, you have like your equipment there with you. If you're at home, like you have to go get it. You have to do all the things. Like at the gym, it's already set up for you. At home, it may or may not be. So you need to be prepared and ready for your workout and plan ahead of what equipment you need. And to have a solid plan with your workout, equipment is desperately needed. So make sure you have your equipment ready and at your disposal for your workout. And to create a solid plan, you're gonna need equipment. So go ahead and get it ready and set it up. Number 3 is have a plan that you follow. So whether that's the Move app, which I've talked about umpteen times, or maybe that's a trainer, maybe that's a YouTube video, maybe that's one of my YouTube videos, maybe that's your own plan that you've created. Whatever that is, you need to have a plan and have something that you're following. So have that plan that you follow. The Move app is a great app. This is not sponsored, but it is a great app for any level of fitness, and it has a plan already there for you. There's no guesswork. You have the plan, you follow it, and every day it's listed out what you need to do. Which personally, I like that better than creating my own plans. Like, I do create my own plans more now because I've gotten more into fitness and like the personal training side of things and like wanting to do that. So I have gotten into that more, but if you have a plan already there for you, especially if you don't know what you're doing, that is great. And as a beginner, you won't know what you're doing. So go ahead and have that built-in plan, whether that's a YouTube video, whether that's a plan that a trainer has created for you, whether that's the move app, just something to go ahead and have a plan that you are following. Number 4 is kind of similar, but it's select the exercises that you want to do. So if you are creating a plan yourself, this is important. Go ahead and select for every workout, whether that's abs, upper body, shoulders, delts, quads, booty, calves, whatever you want to do. Make sure that you select the exercises that you want to do ahead of time. That's kind of going in with the plan. Make sure that you have a plan, and selecting the exercises that you want to do goes into that. So select the exercises, and honestly, it could be like 4 exercises, especially as a beginner. It could be 4 exercises, and maybe you do 4 sets of it or something. Like, it doesn't have to be long. It can be a 5-minute workout. Like, it doesn't have to be a huge workout in the beginning. And I do want to stress that, like, when you're creating a plan and following a plan, you can do like a 5-minute workout. It seriously does not have to be like this grandiose thing that, like, it doesn't have to be like a big thing. Number 5 of how to create a workout plan as a beginner at home is to make it a habit. I know when you work out at home, it can get like boring. Sometimes it can get harder sometimes because you have distractions. The truth is, you just have to make it a habit. You can't just have it as not a habit. You have to have a habit. And working out at home and having that routine, that habit is so important when you're starting to work out, and even as not a beginner, like years down the road. It's so important to have that workout routine, and to have a plan that you can follow is so important in making that routine. If you have a plan that you're following, creating a routine will be so much easier than if you're doing it off a whim. I get my best workouts when I have a plan. I don't do well without a plan, so creating a plan or having a plan at your disposal is so important, because I feel like we get more out of our workouts than if we don't have a plan. So create that habit that you do have a plan. Create the habit that you're following a plan. So if you guys have any other questions for me on how to create a workout plan, let me know in the comments, and I would be happy to answer those questions for you guys. And just know that you're not alone. There are hundreds of plans out there. There's all sorts of people in the same boat as you. You're not alone. You're not alone. There's so many people in the same boat as you, just starting out. So don't feel alone, and know that there is a plan. There are trainers. There are help, and you're not alone. So I hope you guys like this video and this get unready with me while I tell you guys some tips on how to have a workout plan. And if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below that you want more videos like this or what other videos you'd like to see. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.